How to connect your Discord account with your Steam account easy. So first thing, hello guys, in today's video, as I said, I will show you how to connect your Discord account with your Steam account. First thing, go to Discord and now go down here and click on this option down. After you click it on this option, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find a lot of options. The only option that you should click on is connections right here. After you click it on connections, now all what you have to do is click in the top corner on the add. Click on add and here you go. Now right here you will find the Steam right here. Click on Steam and you will be able to connect it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.